Hello, I'm Kriss, your South Florida roofing contractor. I'm with Allied Roofing and Sheet Metal Unlimited. Today we're going to talk about how to choose the right roofing system, either it's metal, tiles, or shingles. The biggest consideration when it comes to choosing the right roofing system are basically three things. It's a price, it's the strength of the roof, and it's a look. Based on these three components, we can pick the right system. Basically, if it comes to the strongest roof, obviously that's going to be metal. If we're looking for the most economical roof, it's going to be a shingle. And if we're looking for the traditional look, that will be tile system. Homeowner can go by the budget. Based on the budget, fit the right system in. They can go by what is the most important thing for them. If they're looking to flip the house and they're looking for the cheapest system, obviously it's going to be shingles. If they're going by the traditional look of the house, or the house itself has that look that calls for the tiles, like more traditional way, that will be tiles. If the contractor want to go the modern way, or he's remodeling house thinking about more futuristic look, or just looking simply for the highest protection of the interior or safety of the family, will go with metal.